Most people think saving money means giving things up. But the truth is, frugal living isn't about restriction. It's about freedom. Freedom to spend on what truly matters because you're not wasting money on what doesn't. Hi, I'm Samuel from Simple Coffers, where we explore realistic, joyful ways to save smart, earn extra, and live simply. Today, I'm sharing 9 frugal living hacks that can easily save you over $100 every month without feeling deprived. Let's start small and build habits that actually last. Hack number 1, audit your subscriptions. The average person pays $40 to $60 a month for forgotten streaming or app subscriptions. Go through your bank statement, cancel at least one today, and set a reminder to check again next month. Every canceled $10 subscription equals $120 a year back in your pocket. Hack number 2, brew coffee at home. Your daily latte might taste small, but the math isn't. $5 a day equals $150 a month, or nearly $1,800 a year. That's a weekend getaway, sitting in a cup. Brew your coffee at home for under 50 cents. Light a candle, slow down, and make it your morning ritual. You'll save money and start the day calmer. Hack number 3, cook more, order less. Takeout sneaks up fast. 3 meals out a week can add $200 a month to your budget. Meal planning or cooking simple dinners at home cuts that number in half. You don't need to be a chef. Start with one no-order night each week. By month's end, you'll see your bank balance and your confidence both grow. Hack number 4, embrace DIY fixes. Got a leaky faucet or a wobbly chair? Before hiring someone, try fixing it yourself. YouTube tutorials turn most $100 repairs into 10-minute wins. I once fixed a broken drawer with a $4 glue bottle, and it's still holding strong 2 years later. Sometimes frugal just means trying first. Hack number 5, save on energy. A simple thermostat tweak, 1 degree lower in winter, 1 higher in summer, can save $20 to $30 a month. Unplug chargers when not in use and swap old bulbs for LEDs. These small changes reduce your bill quietly, month after month. Hack number 6, buy secondhand but smart. Thrift stores, Facebook Marketplace, local swap apps, they're gold mines. Pre-loved doesn't mean low quality, it means lower price, same function. A secondhand desk or jacket often costs 70% less and lasts just as long. Buy quality used, not cheap new. Hack number 7, simplify your grocery habits. Stick to one store, bring a list, and shop with cash. Store brands are often made in the same factories as the premium ones. Skip impulse snacks and buy seasonal produce. Strawberries in winter are basically flavorless cardboard. Consistency beats coupons. Know your staples and the savings add up automatically. Hack number 8, the 48-hour rule. Want something new? Wait 2 days before buying. Most impulse wants disappear after 48 hours, and you'll thank yourself later. I keep a wish list note on my phone. If it still feels worth it after 2 days, I buy it guilt-free. Most items never make it past that list. Hack number 9, share and swap. Split streaming plans with family. Swap tools with neighbors. Borrow gear instead of buying. Community saves money and builds connection. That's a win-win frugal habit. Here's the truth. You don't need extreme minimalism to save money. You just need awareness, the kind that makes small decisions matter again. Track your small wins. Cancel one app. Brew your coffee. Cook one meal at home. Each of those steps is a quiet yes to financial freedom. Frugal living isn't about saying no. It's about saying yes to what truly matters. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you rethink how to live simply and save smart, explore more guides on simplecoffers.com. Because saving money isn't about being cheap, it's about living with intention.